Hey YouTube, we'll call this part 3, the finale. I don't know if you're interested in seeing the blood or not. Don't grab hot chips. These chips, if you can see the quality of that, they're a lot different than the 12L40, 12L14 chips. These are like really bright. And I can't say there's any color to them. So it seems like where the heat did come out, it just kind of browned it. It's a very bright chip. I'm not sure if that's indicative of stainless steel or not. Nevertheless, we did finish. I did get the clearance I needed. I did, however, did not need to necessarily lose so much diameter on that, other than more so is just moving this hole. I want to rig up something here to hook my power drill to for my auto feed. Otherwise I'll have to bring back the other handle in my special auto feed attachment. So there it is, kind of finished. Very happy with the thread dial, the half nut lever. It's been a very long time since that operated this smoothly. Usually just really having to crank on that thing. So it's much better. See if we can pull this Band-Aid off. Yeah, don't go grabbing steel chips. You know, just don't go grabbing them. I got a pair of forceps there. It'll do that job. I got a set of needle nose pliers. It'll do that job. No sense in sticking your hand in there. So there it is, all finished, part 3. I guess now I need to start practicing cutting threads. Please like and subscribe. Tell a buddy, bring a friend. Kimberzelik, student machinist.